Welcome back to Ask a Trainer from FH Fur. We recently had a question from a customer in Gaithersburg, Maryland, who wanted to know if they should repair or replace their HVAC equipment. An HVAC system will serve your home exceptionally well until the day it doesn't. When this happens, you'll call an HVAC technician to your home hoping for a quick fix. Then the HVAC technician tells you that your system needs a major repair. When this happens, you have a big decision: repair or replace. How do you know which is the best decision for you and your home? Here are 5 telltale signs that it may be time to replace your home comfort system. First, if your system is greater than 12 years old or seems to be in poor condition. Next, if you have significant maintenance or repair costs. Then, if you have seen a sizable increase in your energy bill in the past year. Also, if your heating or cooling system does not provide a consistent home temperature. And finally, if your system has frequent breakdowns that force you to take off time from work. If you're experiencing any of these 5 points, it may be more beneficial for your home and your wallet to replace your system. With a high-efficiency heating and cooling system, you can rest assured that your energy bills will be much lower, and your system will require less maintenance and be reliable when you need it. Contact us today and get one of our comfort consultants out to your home and have peace of mind the rest of the summer.